So in this short video I'm going to show you how to search your database. Now we've got a database full of suspects. We got this information from our spreadsheet that we downloaded on Noodle. I'm just going to close that off because these are all the suspects that we have in our database. Now we've got a whole bunch of crimes that need to be solved as well in our tasks folder on Moodle. If you don't know where that is, if you go onto Moodle, year 8 and 9, scroll down to the bottom, here it is, all the tasks. And you've got a whole bunch of cases here. You've got easy ones, hard ones and medium ones. We're going to have a quick crack at one of the easier ones, let's say. Let's have a look at this, the case of the handbag snatcher. So, we've got this information here. We've got Mrs. Maygill, a housewife, age 51, height 1.7 metres. And we've got Sherlock Holmes asking her some questions. So, how was your handbag stolen? I was waiting for a bus when a fair-haired man with an eye patch grabbed my handbag. I struggled with him, but he was far too strong for me. He ran off into the back street. Did you notice anything else about him? Yes, he was wearing a striped tie. So, based on that, we've got 3 bits of information. We know that the man was fair-haired. He had an eye patch. And he also had a striped tie. So, let's see if we can pop those 3 things into our database and get a result. So, we go to create. Now, question is called a query. So, query design. We're going to look in the suspects table and we're going to look for all the things, all the fields. Now, if you have a quick look here, if I run the query, I can run the query from these 2 buttons here. They're exactly the same. So view datasheet or run. Now that gives us everybody, so it's no real use to us. But let's pop in the criteria here. So we know the hair of this suspect was fair. We also knew he had an eye patch, or he had a striped tie. Okay, let's see if anybody of that description matches our information. Run. There we go, we have him. Steve Smith, 1.54 meters tall, 45. And yeah, fair, eye patch. Nothing about his tie, but there we go, we found that one. Okay, so that's the first example.